there! I'm Lily from Golden Garden Moments, and if you've ever dreamed of stepping into a garden that smells like heaven all year long, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 8 beautiful, fragrant plants that don't just bloom for a season, they bring joy, calm, and that inducing aroma to your space 365 days a year. Whether you're gardening in the ground, on a balcony, or even by a sunny window, there's something here for you. So, grab your favorite cup of tea, take a deep breath, and let's grow something lovely together. Lavender. Lavender isn't just beautiful, it's a year-round sensory delight. With its silvery green foliage and purple flower spikes, this Mediterranean herb thrives in sunny spots with well-drained soil. In zones 5 to 9, lavender stays evergreen or semi-evergreen, offering structure and scent even in winter. And if you live somewhere colder, grow it in a pot and bring it indoors near a sunny window. Just brush your hand over the leaves or flowers and you'll release that calming herbal aroma known to ease stress and attract pollinators. Plus, you can dry the blooms for sachets, teas, or bath salts. Lavender is drought tolerant once established, so it's perfect for low-maintenance gardens. Whether in borders, containers, or herb gardens, this fragrant favorite adds timeless charm and tranquility to any space, 365 days a year. 2. Jasmine. Few scents are as romantic as jasmine. Sweet, heady, and almost intoxicating, especially in the evening. Evergreen varieties like Jasminum officinale or Jasminum sambac keep their glossy green leaves year-round in warm climates, zones 8 through 11, and they bloom repeatedly from spring through fall. In cooler regions, grow jasmine in a container and overwinter it indoors near a bright window. Train it on a trellis, let it spill from a hanging basket, or weave it along a fence. It's incredibly versatile. The star-shaped white or yellow flowers release their perfume strongest at dusk, making it perfect near patios or bedroom windows. Yes, some types are used in teas and perfumes. With regular pruning and plenty of sun, your jasmine will reward you with beauty and fragrance nearly all year long. 3. Rosemary. Rosemary is more than a kitchen staple. It's a fragrant, evergreen powerhouse for your garden. With needle-like leaves and a piney, herbal scent, it stays green and lush year-round in zones 7 to 10. Even in colder areas, you can grow it in a pot and bring it inside during winter. Just place it in a sunny spot, and it'll thrive. Brush against its foliage while gardening, and you'll be greeted by that refreshing, clean aroma. Rosemary is drought-tolerant, deer-resistant, and loves full sun and well-drained soil, making it perfect for low-effort, high-reward gardening. Use fresh sprigs to flavor roasted veggies, meats, or even lemonade. Plus, its tiny blue flowers in spring attract bees. Whether shaped into a topiary, used as a hedge, or grown on a windowsill, rosemary brings beauty, utility, and fragrance to your space every single day. 4. Gardenia. If you love rich, creamy floral perfume, gardenia is your dream plant. Its glossy evergreen leaves and velvety white blooms create a stunning contrast, and the scent, warm, sweet, and slightly tropical, can fill an entire yard. Gardenias thrive year-round in zones 8 through 11, but they can also be grown indoors in bright, humid conditions. They prefer acidic, well-drained soil and consistent moisture, but not soggy roots. Place one near an entryway or patio so you can enjoy its fragrance daily. While they need a bit more care than other plants, like protection from harsh afternoon sun and regular feeding, the reward is unmatched. Some varieties even bloom in fall or winter. With proper care, your gardenia will offer lush greenery and unforgettable scent through every season. It's like having a living bouquet that never fades. If you're loving these fragrant, year-round beauties, and you'd like more simple, soul-soothing garden tips like this, I'd be so grateful if you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. Here at Golden Garden Moments, I share easy ways to grow a garden that not only looks lovely, but feels like peace every single day. Now let's keep filling your garden with scent. Next up, a tiny flower with a big, sweet surprise. 5. Sweet alyssum. Don't let its delicate appearance fool you. Sweet alyssum is a tough, fragrant gem that can bloom nearly all year in mild climates. This low-growing annual, or short-lived perennial, forms a soft carpet of tiny white, pink, or purple flowers that emit a gentle honey vanilla scent. It's perfect for edging pathways, spilling over containers, or filling gaps between stepping stones. In zones 9 to 11, it often flowers year-round. Elsewhere, it self-seeds easily and returns each spring. Sweet alyssum loves full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil, and it's incredibly drought-tolerant once established. Plus, it attracts beneficial insects like hoverflies and pollinators. The best part? Just walk by and you'll catch that light, sweet fragrance on the breeze. It's simple, charming, and endlessly useful for adding softness and scent to any garden space, any time of year. 6. Scented geraniums. Scented geraniums are a hidden treasure in the fragrant plant world. Unlike common geraniums, these release amazing aromas, from rose and lemon to mint, coconut, even apple, when you gently rub their leaves. They're not just pretty, they're sensory. In zones 9 through 11, they grow as perennials, but they're equally happy in pots you can bring indoors during colder months. Give them bright light, well-drained soil, and let the soil dry slightly between waterings. Their fuzzy, lobed leaves and delicate flowers add texture to patios, windowsills, or herb gardens. Use the leaves in teas, desserts, or potpourri. And because they're naturally pest-resistant, they're low maintenance too. With dozens of varieties, you can collect your favorite scents and enjoy a fragrant garden experience that changes with every brush of your hand, 365 days a year. 7. Osmanthus. Meet osmanthus, a lesser-known but truly magical evergreen shrub with an unforgettable scent. Often called sweet olive, its tiny white or orange flowers bloom in fall or even winter, releasing a delicate apricot tea fragrance that carries beautifully on cool air. In zones 7 through 10, osmanthus stays lush and green all year, making it a fantastic hedge, screen, or specimen plant. It's tough, drought-tolerant once established, and thrives in sun to partial shade. The best part? You don't need many blooms to fill your garden with perfume. Just a few clusters are enough. Some varieties even produce small fruits. Osmanthus is low maintenance, deer resistant, and adds elegant structure to your landscape. Whether you're sipping morning coffee or evening tea, this quiet bloomer will surprise you with seasonal fragrance when most other plants are dormant. 8. Mint. Mint is the ultimate year-round aromatic plant, refreshing, versatile, and incredibly easy to grow. Its square stems and fuzzy leaves release a cool, invigorating scent the moment you touch them. Hardy in zones 3 through 11, mint comes back vigorously every spring and stays green late into fall, and even through winter in mild areas. Because it spreads quickly, it's best grown in containers, but that also makes it perfect for patios, balconies, or kitchen windowsills. Use fresh leaves in drinks, salads, desserts, or homemade spa treatments. Varieties like peppermint, spearmint, and chocolate mint offer different flavor scent profiles. Plus, mint deters pests like ants and mosquitoes while attracting beneficial insects. Just a small patch gives you endless fragrance and utility. With minimal care, sun or partial shade, regular water, mint delivers daily joy all year long. And there you have it. 8 wonderfully fragrant plants that can bring beauty and bliss to your garden all year long. Whether it's the calming scent of lavender at sunrise, the sweet whisper of jasmine at dusk, or the fresh zing of mint in your morning tea. These plants don't just grow in your garden, they nourish your soul. I'm Lily from Golden Garden Moments, and I'm so glad you're growing with me. If you try any of these in your space, I'd love to see. Leave a comment below or tag me on Instagram. Until next time, breathe deep, get your hands in the soil, and let your garden be your happy place.